Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between two giants in the touring tire segment, the newly launched Bridgestone Turanza 6 and the well-established Pirelli Cinturato P7 C2. With the Turanza 6 entering the market in 2023, it's set to challenge the P7 C2, which has been a favorite since 2020. Let's see how these two stack up across the key performance metrics. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Pirelli Cinturato P7 C2 set as the reference point at 100%. In wet conditions, the Bridgestone Turanza 6 shows its strength. It stops 0.8 meters shorter than the P7 C2, giving you that extra confidence on rainy days. When it comes to wet handling, both tires are nearly neck and neck, but the Turanza 6 edges out with a slightly higher average speed of 74.7 km per hour versus the P7 C2 average speed of 74.6 km per hour. The Turanza 6 also excels in straight-line aquaplaning, holding on until 84.5 km per hour, outperforming the P7 C2, which starts to slip at 81.1 km per hour. Switching to dry performance, the Pirelli Cinturato P7 C2 takes the lead. It stops 0.6 meters shorter in dry braking and handles slightly better with an average speed of 115.4 km per hour compared to the Turanza 6 average speed of 114.7 km per hour. So if dry road performance is your priority, the P7 C2 might be your go-to tire. But when it comes to mileage, the Bridgestone Turanza 6 is a clear winner. With a lifespan of 34,400 kilometers, it outlasts the P7 C2 by an impressive 9,500 kilometers. That's a significant difference, making the Turanza 6 a more durable option for those long drives. The Pirelli Cinturato P7 C2, however, offers a quieter ride at 73.6 decibels compared to the Turanza 6's 74.1 decibels. It's a small difference, but one that can enhance your driving comfort. On the other hand, the Turanza 6 wins again in rolling resistance, indicating better fuel efficiency, which is always a plus for those mindful of energy consumption. So, what's the verdict? The Bridgestone Turanza 6 excels in wet conditions, mileage, and rolling resistance, making it an excellent choice for those who prioritize safety, durability, and fuel efficiency. Meanwhile, the Pirelli P7 C2 offers better dry performance and a quieter ride, ideal for drivers seeking comfort and a slight edge in dry conditions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.